I love packing for summer outfits. I like packing tank tops, with spaghetti straps, crochet tops, cute outgoing pieces, sleeveless tops. I love summer outfits. For me, I've figured out a way to what to wear underneath these tops, but if you're someone that hasn't quite figured it out, what am I supposed to wear underneath? This video is for you. Regular bras do not work with every neckline, and I personally hate wearing strapless bras, so I'm always looking for smaller, easier options that make sense for travel. I've packed Grippy Cakes before on summer trips, but today I'm going to show you the CAKES Cleavage Bra. So whenever I'm packing for my summer outfits, I always have to keep in mind, okay, I got all these cute tops. What am I going to wear underneath? Because I don't like it when I'm wearing like a spaghetti strap tank top, or I'm wearing a tube top and the bra showing. That's like, I don't know. I really don't like that look. I don't like when my bra is showing. And I don't like regular strapless bras because they never stay in place. They're so annoying. I don't even own one anymore. I used to own like a couple of them. I got rid of them because they're useless, and they're so annoying. So now what I do is when I have those tricky tops, I either wear the CAKES Grippy Cakes, that's what it's called. I keep wanting to say nipple covers, but they do cover your nipples. And then this is CAKES' newest style. It's called the CAKES Cleavage Bra. So yeah, so I see my past videos. I've shown these before. So this I've had for several years now. I love it. And this is something that will be new in my lingerie drawer. To see how it's adjustable. It's got a little clasp right there. So anyways, let's get into it. Now I've included the Grippy Cake circles in some of my past what to wear videos, like when I went to Hawaii. It was an essential item I needed to pack for that trip. Basically, it takes no room in your suitcase. It's very easy to pack, and it's also so useful for vacations like Hawaii. But the CAKES Cleavage Bra is more than something where you just want coverage. It helps give your outfits a little bit of a boost, I would say. Say if you want more cleavage, if you want just a little bit more shape, this is something that the cleavage bra offers, whereas the Grippy Cakes doesn't. I've actually used a similar bra in the past called Gatherall, and it worked great for a lot of my trips. However, this time I wanted something that was a little bit more flexible and adjustable, and this is where the CAKES strapless bra really shines because it's way more adjustable and flexible compared to the Gatherall bra. That's what made me curious about the CAKES Cleavage Bra. This is not your typical sticky bra. Instead of feeling like a heavy padded adhesive bra, it's designed to be more seamless and customizable, with two separate cups that clasp together in the center. The biggest thing to know is that this is not the same as the Grippy Cakes nipple covers. Those are great when you need nipple coverage. This one is more for shaping and cleavage. It comes in two separate adhesive cups that attach to the skin, then clasp together in the middle. So you can play around with the placement depending on what you're wearing. It's not really meant to give lift like a regular bra, so I would think of it more of like an outfit solution than a full bra replacement. This is the type of dress where I would normally struggle with what bra to wear. I don't want my bra strap showing, and a strapless bra can feel bulky, especially on a hot trip. So for this outfit, I'm looking to see if the bra stays hidden, if it creates enough shape, and if the center clasp works with the neckline. So for this dress, I think it worked great. Actually, this dress, I can do without a strappy bra. I'm okay without it. But if I wanted a little bit more cleavage, the bra works great. I think for this dress, it's more personal preference of how much, of shape you want to create with the dress. It wasn't really that necessary. But then when I look back at the photos and video, I'm like, I kind of do like it with more cleavage. So next time I wear this dress, I will pack the strapless bra to wear underneath the dress. So for a strappy tank top, I'm mostly looking to see if the edges show and whether it gives enough shape without looking obvious underneath. This is also where I want to see if it feels secure enough and if I would actually choose this over a regular bra for this type of outfit. So for my black strappy tank top, I definitely would wear the strapless bra. The Grippy Cakes definitely won't work because it will definitely just fall. Also, that tank top has a pretty low neckline, and I was glad that the strapless bra didn't show. But even if it did happen to show a little bit, like say if I I bent down and my top opened up a little bit, It's like the color of the bra matches my skin tone so well that you can't even tell, like you can't really see it. It's pretty hard to tell. So crochet tops are always tricky because you can always somewhat see the skin underneath, and the typical solution usually is to wear a slip or kind of like a bandeau type of bra underneath. So I don't really like either of those options, which is why I wanted to see if the CAKES Cleavage Bra worked, and it does work better. For this outfit, I'm looking to see if it gives enough coverage and shape without taking away from the look of the crochet top. So this is one of the main reasons why I wanted to try this bra, because I've been so into crochet tops lately for my summer travels, and they're just so cute and summery, girly, feminine. It's like all those things, but you know, it's so tricky. Like, oh, what do I wear underneath? And the cleavage, the CAKES Cleavage Bra works great with it. You can't even tell that I'm wearing a bra underneath. It stays in place. Yeah, so it is like a win for me. I love the cleavage bra with this top, and it's super comfortable. I don't have to worry, you know, about like, oh, can someone see underneath the underneath the crochet? And you know, the crochet is all around, so like because it's strapless in the back, you know, the back is like seamless and beautiful. This is a definite win. I will definitely be wearing the CAKES Cleavage Bra with the with the crochet tops. So for the next top, this is where the cleavage bra makes the most sense to me. To flatter a sweetheart neckline, the low dip silhouette needs more than just nipple covers. I love tops that have that sweetheart neckline. It's just so feminine, and it's just one of my favorites. So being able to have a bra that really enhances the neckline is a big win for me. And of course, the CAKES Cleavage Bra works perfectly for these tops. I love the way it enhanced the neckline. It gave it a nice, you know, little cleavage lift. It just made the top look so much better. So yeah, I think if you're gonna pack a, you know, like a top or a dress that has that sweetheart neckline, the, you know, cleavage bra works great with these tops. So if you're wondering like, okay, so which one should I pack? Should I pack the CAKES Cleavage Bra or should I pack the Grippy CAKES? Well, it just really depends on your outfits. I actually pack both of these because they work for different types of outfits. So Grippy CAKES are what I would pack when I just need nipple coverage, especially for fitted tops. For me, they work best with fitted pieces because there is no adhesive on them. I have tried wearing them with loose tops and they just don't stay in place the same way the other bra does. Now the CAKES Cleavage Bra is different because it is adhesive and gives more shape. This is what I would pack for outfits where I want more than just coverage, like strappy tank tops, crochet tops, strapless tops, sweetheart necklines, or vacation outfits where I want a little more cleavage. When I was in Hawaii, I wore the crochet top and I thought, well, it should be fine just wearing the Grippy CAKES. But no, like as I was leaving the hotel, one of them fell off. And I mean, I had my shirt tucked in, so like the nipple cover just fell off down like here. And I just like went over to a corner somewhere and like put it back in place. And then I ran back upstairs and switched out what I was wearing underneath. So yeah, if I need something that will stay in place, won't fall, want shape and structure, and you know, I'm wearing loose tops, and I don't want to wear a bra, this is when I use the cleavage bra. And then I wear this, you know, like I said, for tops where I don't have to worry about this falling because the top is pretty fitted. I would say the only con is with the cleavage bra is that if you're someone with really sensitive skin and you don't like something that's sticky, I've never had any issues with my skin being bothered by it, but you know, everyone's skin is different, so I can't really say if it'll work out for you, if it won't work out for you. But there is, you know, something to keep in mind that you don't want to wear it like for 12 hours or something, you know. I usually just use it for something like, okay, it's for like the night out or just like a short daytime excursion or something. So no more than like 6 hours. I don't wear it for that long because I don't think it's good for my body to have like something sticky on it for that long. I think the skin needs to breathe a little bit. So if I'm gonna go hiking, no, I'm not gonna wear this. So just something to keep in mind. And this, actually, the Grippy CAKES, because it's not an adhesive, I can wear this all day. 12 plus hours and it's fine. So I guess the only con for this is like if you don't want an adhesive on your skin, this is probably not for you. So this has been a staple in my wardrobe for many years now, and it will continue to be a staple. I love it. It works great. And this is going to be probably a new staple. I've already worn it a couple times. Love it. I love that it gives me nice cleavage. It stays in place. It's adjustable. So yeah, I really like this new cleavage bra. I don't know, I keep like having trouble saying. I don't know why it's a tongue twister for me. Maybe because I keep saying it over and over again. But anyways, yeah. So I do think that this will soon become a new staple item in my lingerie drawer. And yeah, if you want links to these, I'll like put it in the description below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.